Hello, in today's video we'll show you how to assemble the AMULET 16 fun bike. Before we begin, we'll remove the clips with pliers, open the box and then remove the safety clips from the box. Now we can place the bike on the assembly stand, but first we need to unpack it on the ground before putting it on the stand. We use pliers instead of a cutter to avoid scratching the bike. After unpacking and placing the bike in the stand, we'll check for any damage. Now we'll start the actual assembly process. Let's insert the seat post to keep the seat off the ground. We'll need a 5 mm Allen key for this. We need a 4 mm Allen key to remove 4 screws to install the handlebar. Now we can mount the handlebars. Make sure the brake lever is always on the left side. The rib markings help align the handlebars centrally with the brake lever. Once all 4 screws are back in place, we tighten them in a cross pattern. Before tightening the handlebars, check the distance at the top. It should be the same at the bottom. Now we'll install the front wheel. First, we need to release the front V-brake. Releasing the brake is simple. Remove the dust cover and rubber, hold the caliper and pull out the guide wire. Loosen the nut and washer. Do the same on the other side, then insert the wheel into the front fork. It's crucial to install the wheel correctly due to its rotation direction. The wheel's rotation is marked with an arrow. With the front wheel on, we'll reconnect the V-brake as we took it apart. Squeeze the caliper with one hand and reinsert the guide wire with the other. Now we'll mount the pedals. We have left and right pedals marked with a skull. The manufacturer also makes the left pedal notched and the right one smooth for easy identification. Before installation, I lightly coat the pedal thread with regular petroleum jelly. For the right side, I'm using the right pedal. I always start threading the pedal by hand to ensure proper alignment. We'll do the final tightening once the bike is on the ground. Now let's install the training wheels. First, I'll loosen the nut with the included wrench. After loosening with the wrench, I can use my hand to speed things up. Next, the washer. Insert the training wheel and reassemble. We still need to inflate the tires. For this, we need a pump with a pressure gauge. Check the tire for the recommended inflation pressure. Unlock the pump, attach it to the valve, secure it and start pumping. Now let's put the bike back on the ground. As mentioned, we'll tighten the pedals and adjust the training wheels on the ground. Here's how we'll adjust and tighten the training wheels. Loosen the nuts by hand so the wheels touch the ground. Then raise one wheel half a centimeter, tighten and repeat on the other side for balance. We placed the front wheel on the stand but didn't tighten it, so let's do that now. The stem was pre-adjusted at the factory, but I recommend double checking its tightness. Then we can stretch on the neoprene sleeve for protection. The bike comes with front and rear wheel reflectors, but the front one needs adjusting and tightening. We'll tighten the bell with a Phillips screwdriver and adjust it. Then we'll rotate it to the correct thumb position. Lastly, the manual covers all setup and assembly steps we've shown. I wish you many happy miles with the EXISPort team.